there is a quality to it that is not, I think, definable in terms. All right, let's give this Runza a try with cheese. There is a quality to it that is not, I think, definable in terms of standard cooking practices. The quality, I want to say, is nostalgia. Did not grow up with Runza, nowhere near where I grew up, where I lived, where I currently live. But there's something just about it. It's only where I currently live. Something just about it. Nostalgia. You can't quantify that in terms of perfection of a cook, but you can qualify that in terms of desirability. I think that's probably what this is going for. Well, the cheese did look pretty good when I pulled it apart. It's actually just a slice of American cheese. 1 second. There we go. It's just a slice of American cheese, and that's not saying it's bad. This is what it is. Want a bite? Who's that? You definitely want to try this thing because this is a Midwest, like Omaha staple of what they have to offer. Oftentimes they say big steaks in Omaha. Sometimes it's a nice big sample, nice big pseudo big sandwich. I thought she was gonna try that in camera. That's why I grabbed her, but let's go play with the dog. Oh well. So, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And if not barbecuing, maybe you're getting a Runza. So, I want to say thanks and have a great day.